Hello.
And a bird feeder.
Bird feeder. Yes, Glasara knows what we're gonna do today. Me and Glasara are back with another creative activity, that is paper roll bird feeder. For that, we need butter and these paper rolls that we already cut into two, and she made a mess. Don't try to eat this. This is a bird feed, okay? So, first we're gonna apply a thick layer of butter on it. So, Glasara, will you please help me? Okay, let's apply a thick layer of butter. You know, these creative activities reduce the screen time. More you involve with the kids, more they will be helpful. Yes, yes, yes. Apply it. She's doing good. She's trying to do good. Yes. Let me do it. Okay, just hold it. Mama's gonna help you. Okay? Okay, on this side too. On this side. Yes. More butter. Good. Okay. Now spread it properly. Spread it properly. Spread it properly.
Oh! No.
Now roll this on the bird feed that we put on the plate. Glasara, roll this one over here on the plate. On the plate. Yes.
Oh,
Wow. She loves such kind of activities. You can also keep your kids busy doing such things. It's really sunny outside. We are enjoying. Yay. Okay, just dab. It looks so colorful and so good. Wow. Now we're gonna hang it on the tree. Okay, let's go. See how happy she is. Hey. See, it's all done. Happy kids and happy birds. Thank you for watching. Bye.